To get started with the Uniswap SDK, first ensure you have a basic understanding of JavaScript and blockchain technology. The Uniswap SDK is a powerful tool that allows developers to interact with the Uniswap protocol, a decentralized exchange on the Ethereum blockchain. Begin by installing the Uniswap SDK using npm or yarn. This can be done by running the command npm install at Uniswap SDK. Once installed, import the SDK into your JavaScript file. This will give you access to the various functions and classes provided by the SDK. The Uniswap SDK provides several key concepts, including tokens, currency amounts, and trades. Tokens represent the different cryptocurrencies that can be traded on Uniswap, such as Ethereum, DAI, or USDC. Currency amounts represent the quantity of a particular token, and trades represent the act of exchanging one token for another. To use the Uniswap SDK, start by creating a new instance of the Chain ID class. This class represents the different Ethereum networks, such as mainnet or Ropson. Next, create a new instance of the token class, passing in the address and decimal places of the token you want to work with. Once you have a token instance, you can use it to create a new instance of the currency amount class. This class represents the quantity of a particular token. You can then use the currency amount instance to create a new instance of the trade class. This class represents the act of exchanging one token for another. A key feature of the Uniswap SDK is the ability to execute trades on the Uniswap protocol. To do this, you will need to create a new instance of the trade class, and then use the execute function to execute the trade. When using the Uniswap SDK, it is essential to follow best practices, such as handling errors and exceptions properly, and ensuring that your code is secure and reliable. It is also crucial to test your code thoroughly to ensure that it works as expected. In conclusion, the Uniswap SDK is a powerful tool that allows developers to interact with the Uniswap protocol, a decentralized exchange on the Ethereum blockchain. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can use the Uniswap SDK to create powerful and reliable applications that interact with the Uniswap protocol.